Good evening, everybody. Today is the 17th of April. I still see some few people at home. Some people in South Africa is enjoying the Easter weekend. They go to the coast. Traffic is becoming heavy. But yes, so does every country has its own way of doing it. Um, Tonight I'm going to speak again. Especially I'm going to concentrate on the SBS strategy, and if it times allows me, I'm also going to show you guys a live account and the reason why I'm really in this easy bot for the long haul. I'm also going to give Roy some time to chat or to speak about if times allows us. I also welcome everybody here on this group. For the people that's watching later on, people, please hit the subscribe button. And put your comments in if you want. I'm not scared. Please, just don't ask me about another wallet that you have problems on. Okay? I'm not going to help you there. No, I get some crazy people wants to help me on the OLX and the scammers. But yes, we always get some other people in life. Let me share the screen for you. Guys, you can see the screen? Just say yes or no. I think you can.
Yes,
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
thank you.
yes.
Let us go. I will allow everybody to ask some questions just after the presentation before I go to a live system as well. Okay, just I'm not a financial or a tax advisor or any of the people. We all just joining the same journey on the EasyBot, and I'm just saying you will also find that the slides I'm using, some of them is not official. I do change, although I'm not a graphic designer. Please excuse the way of, but I want to do it the way I can make you understand what's happening. There's my email. There's the referral links, people. If you want to, you can use it. And for the people that is on the Zoom, it's already got, you always send your own link out to the people below you, the people that you invited. All right, to help other people in this community. Now, as you go, as traders go, people is doing a lot of trading. There's lots of scams in this world, and sometimes it becomes a logistical nightmare. And also if you do trading yourself, I've been doing it for 14 years. People, the emotions sometimes get you, especially when the market goes down like we did got at the moment. This is our CEO, Mohammed. People, he will always, doesn't matter what type of question you have. We have every Tuesday, we've got what we call a corporate call. Mohammed will go and update us on the systems, whatever we need. He even goes in the EasyBot and he will explain something for you. And this is what I'm going to try to interpret tonight. Some of the things that I saw on the Tuesday night call. But let me see. Now, the nice thing about the EasyBot, it's built for trading profits only. So it can happen that some of your trades is staying in for a longer time, but then at the end of the day, we've got over a 99% success rate on these bots that's currently running. And yes, now let me show you. There's two strategies on the EasyBot. The SBS strategy was just launched now. It's already been, as Roy said last week, tested for the last 3 years. From the beginning of the year, the VIP clients got access to it. And since last week, everybody's got access to the SBS strategy. Now, just before I go on, in the before, we had what we call the MAS strategy. All right, the moving average strategy. So what a bot does, it starts buying at a period, and as it buys, it will buy. Now, what we've got, is what we call our vault. Now, the vault is your quote currency. That might be USD, USDC, or Bitcoin. It does not matter. But that is, let's for argument's sake, I'm going to call it the vault. So out of your USD, the bot is linked with IP management, with AI, with IP, it's linked to your wallet. You must remember that. So you've got full control to your wallet all the day, 24 hours a day. The bot just tells the wallet, go and buy and go and sell. Go and buy and go and sell. All right. So what a bot does, and it also does not take one trade at a time. It only takes a percentage of your funds, of that is in a vault, something like 3% at a time. So to trade for you. All right. So it will buy, and what we call, it will buy covers. We call it covers, just to make it easy for explanation. So as the bot starts buying, the market goes down and the algorithm is already worked out for you. It will start buying at one point when the market changes around, it will start selling some of these covers. Not all of them, because those is in negative. It will start selling, and then that funds goes back to your vault, and immediately later on, it will start buying and selling again. It will always, it goes buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Now, what is happening? Oh, click there. On the SPE strategy, it's more or less the same. The bot will start buying covers all the time, and it will start selling covers. But let me show you where is the difference coming in on the new SPS strategy. On the mass strategy, the bot will start buying and it will start looking from the lowest cover you've got. And the moment it's got in profit, it will start selling again. And then it will buy again because there will be more funds into your vault. Now, on the SBS strategy, it works a bit differently. It starts always looking from the top. So it can happen that as it starts buying, remember, the amount of covers is much more on the SBS strategy and like on the covers that is on the mass strategy. But at one stage, say it looks at the top and it goes and it's in profit, it will actually take all the covers that is in profit, not one by one, and it will take, it can happen that it take 5, 6, 7 covers at the one time as it bought. Now, this doesn't make a bit sense, but it's difficult for the explanation. I just wanted to show you that the mass looks from the bottom to the top, and the SPS looks always from the top. And that way, it won't sell one cover. It can sell, say, for example, this 4 was here. Also in, as the market goes up, it will close cover number 3, 4, and 5. Or if this cover goes up there, it will close cover 4, 5. You know? So there's more money in your vault. That means the bot can start buying again faster. Now, from the guys that is in the system already, will know that sometimes it can happen, especially if you over, um, what is the word? Can't, if you over exaggerate or put more money into your, on your, you tell the EasyBot there's more money that's actually in your vault, it can happen that your bot will go into a sell only mode because there's not enough funds in your vault. Now, on the SBS strategy, the chances is much lower, the risk of having not funds in your vault. Okay, I hope people this makes sense to you, but it's very important for, you'll see now why. Um, keep for, now, as I said, the bot, even in a down market, you'll always find as the bot is selling on positive funds, it is always creating this blue line, is where the market went down. And even then, it actually went and it made some profits. Not great profits, but it made profits. And when the market goes actually with it, it actually makes bigger profits. All right. Now, on the old system, people, you do not have to know the pairs. It is already in the dashboard given to you. You can choose here. That is what EasyBot has done. In this case, they've put in $1,000. And you will choose. Every day you will see this performance chart. So you don't, what I'm trying to say is, you don't have to have crypto experience. You do not have to have trading experience. It's already available for you. You can just pick. Now, just for example, Solana USD. The bot doesn't trade. There's 29 pairs available. It doesn't jump from one pair to the other pair like that. You link a pair like Solana. You're going to link that pair Solana USD, and that is called what we call one bot. All right? So you can have 20, you can have more than 29 bots. You can have more than one Solana. Say, for instance, you started your bot and your Solana is on top. Now, and the market goes down. So that bot is going to start buying and it's going to take. You can open up a second Solana bot, which starts at the bottom. If your package allows it, you can actually buy a second Solana bot or activate a second Solana bot. It doesn't matter. So you can have more than, and I'll show you on the packages. You can have more than one pair, but each one is called a bot. Okay. Now, look at this. Remember, we've got our gallery. Now, I will put the gallery in the chat room. Where is it? I'm going to put it in the chat for you guys to copy if you haven't got it. EasyBot is there it is in the chat box for you. It's very transformed. Guys, you can see everything in here. You can see the back testing. You can see the performances. Everything of the EasyBot family is in here and it will help you. The video library, they've got a massive amount of videos that is available for you to learn. In the dashboard itself, you also got some videos that you can check there. You're not alone here. The system is there. It helps you. The information is available. All right. Now let me go on. Now, in this gallery, you will find the SBS strategy. Remember, they only started now this month for everybody. Soon we will see that on the dashboard, you've got the SBS strategy. Now, what is quite interesting is you see the pairs. Here we start with Cake USD, Algo, ADA. At this stage, every week it is updated. This was on the 15th of April updated. Every week on a Tuesday, once Mohammed is finished, we get the update of the performance of the charts, of the pairs that's running. Now just look here. Cake USD, Algo, ADA. Cake is here number one. If you go to the previous slide, Solana on a mass strategy was different. But all of these pairs is there. All right. Just some in certain of your wallets, like for example, Qcoin does not have a USDC wallet. There is some limitations, but it's not on the EasyBot site, it's on your wallets, where you might not have a pair in that specific wallet. But it's not a train smash. You can run without that pair. It's just you choose another one. All right, let me go on. Then very, very, very important, especially with the price of Bitcoin now so low. It runs between $70,000 and $90,000. People, this Bitcoin bot is there. I'm always telling the people that the Bitcoin bot is your pension. It creates, if you go to these pairs, remember your vault. This is where your vault is USDC or USDT. in the Bitcoin bot, your vault is Bitcoin. So every time it sells, it creates more Bitcoin for you. And that is why you've got the opportunity here to get long-term investment funds available for yourself. So you can also have a Solana Bitcoin. You can also have all those pairs you can have in Bitcoin as well. It is your choice. You just need to know that in your vault, you need to have Bitcoin, what we call as your quote currency, the same as USDT is your quote currency. You need to have that. You cannot just choose a Bitcoin pair if you haven't got some funds in your vault for the bot to use. Okay. Now, as I said, this most of you guys know it. If you can sleep and you make money, then we're there. And this is what the EasyBot is doing for you 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, because the crypto world does not sleep. All right, just quickly for the beginners, the flow of money. You get your bank account, you get your crypto wallet, and then you get EasyBot. EasyBot is linked IP to the wallet, so you've got 100% control of your own wallet. Even some of our banks delays our funds when we withdraw funds. Here you've got your crypto wallet, you've got 100% access to it. All right. We've got some people in this group at the moment that had serious problems and they were able to withdraw funds from their account. All right. Now just this on the crypto wallet itself. It depends on which country you are. Now I'm going to show the next slide. This is the wallets that's available at the moment in the family of the EasyBot. So if you've got any of these coins, you will be able, or these wallets, you will be able to link it. I know in South Africa, most of us is using KuCoin and Binance, and our people from the USA is using Coinbase and Kraken, as well as Bitget and Bybit. Most of South Africans, you've got access to these, but remember, there's only KuCoin, Binance, and only Binance that is available, which is linked directly to your bank account. All right. Some of these wallets, you can use your credit card like KuCoin, but I'm not depending on which country you're sitting in. Okay. Now, what the advantage and disadvantage of the SPS strategy? The advantage is now, remember, on the mass, we had, for example, in our KuCoin, we had a minimum of $300 needed. Because as I showed you there before, it can buy a lot of coins and it sells singly, you know? In a mass strategy, it can sell multiple stuff that you bought in one package. So there's more funds available in your vault. For big accounts, I've seen, and I'm going to show you guys now, that sometimes the mass is more advantage for those people. But for the SBS strategy, for the little accounts, the people that wants to start small, you only have to start you can start with $20 on a KuCoin account. But people, you also need to bear in mind that you pay a fee at the end of the year and you need to make some money. I'm honest with you, if I'm telling you, I don't think you're gonna run a bot. And if you look at one of Mohammed's videos, he actually had a bot on $10. But remember, that is not gonna give you life money. You need to start it, even if you start with $100. Use it as your pension system. Every time you put funds in a pension, they deduct a certain amount from your salary. Put that also into the system. It's the same principle that we're working here. If you've got small accounts, you need to add it. You cannot, this is not going to be an overnight get rich quick scheme, people. I can tell you now. And do not expect to make some money. Remember, the more funds you got in, the more bots you can create, and the more your percentage goes up. Okay. Now on the price, this is where I'm talking about. For a starter package, you're going to pay $100 a year for the use of the EasyBot. That is your fee. And for that $100, you can have up to 5 bots running for you. Anything from in your KuCoin account, anything from $100 to $100,000 for one bot. You can put $500 in, then you can run 5 bots in the beginning on the SPS strategy. All right. And as you go up, what is the difference? You're getting more bots, as you can see. This is, remember, 150 bots, we only got 29 pairs. But this person here can choose. He can choose 5 different Solana bots at different times that he buys it. He can also, he can activate it. He can have like a mass and SPS strategy. As you goes up here, you've got your more. And the most important difference is, I think Roy will talk about the company ownership and shares later on. That is his specialty. The difference is when you got a higher account, your trading fees is less. Now remember, you bought your $100. You need to have some dollars in your wallet, in your EasyBot wallet, in order, because it only will take profitable fees, but people on a 3% of the takeover trade is something like 0.03 cents on a trade, on a $300 account. It is very little, but it will only take profitable trades, and from there, the system will take also his cut. So you need to have some funds in your wallet. I'll show you now. All right. Then every week, there's calls, the Zoom calls, it is available. They've got training on Saturdays. People, I think there's 3 Zoom calls in a week. And the one is on Tuesdays, which is the most important. There's Monday, Roy, help me. Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and Tuesday evenings, it is when we've got the performance bot with Mohammed. People, there is a
So
code.
Monday and Wednesday are the presentation meetings, and Thursday is the bot meeting on Thursday. Yeah.
That's it. Thank you. All right. Now I'm going to go over too quickly. I want to spend some time as well on the system. People have already opened up account. Now, this is why I'm so positive. This is one of the bigger accounts. This person started with $4,000 in his account on the 13th of December 2023. This account is now got close to $30,000 in. The most important that I want to tell you. Now, a lot of the existing people comes and they come and tell me they've got a $300 account and they say, oh, but my bot hasn't made any money or made very little money. What people seems to forget, you see here, cell 31. Remember that bot bought a lot of, so there's lots of funds in the Ethereum Bitcoin bot at the moment. Funds that is not, remember, it's only profitable sales. If you see here, buy 37, I don't know if you guys can see it, buy C18. So there's a huge amount of money in this account that is in Solana. Some people just look at the top figure. You can see this bot made nearly 800, it's close to $880 for the month. If you go and look at this, it's not even, it's close to 3% of this account. But you must remember, if you go and look at this, this is your market. If you look at the past month, it is red, people, this past year. If you look at the year accounts, there's some of them that is creating, there's some coins. And this is another point I want to make. In the crypto world, look at the percentage that we can get. out of these coins. Show me anywhere where you can get these type of percentages on the fiat currency. You need to start looking at crypto. I do not say put all your funds into crypto. But what I'm saying is the world is changing so fast. Everybody says go to gold. Gold is a safe haven. But this Bitcoin is our white gold. It's the same as our gold. This is our digital gold is on cryptos. So you need to remember that. So once you've got your bot, now you can see here there's lots of bots at this page in this account running. Now we've got the SBS and I want to show you, I'm honest with you guys, if you look at the Solana bot, it's on the SBS strategy. It's 30 days old. It only made $106 profit. You've got the same Solana here on the mass. It made $157 profit on a 21-day account, 21 days ago. But look at this, CLC1. This mass must start over again. Look at this SBS strategy. Buy C18. So do not compare apples with apples in the same blow. And also remember what I showed you, that the SBS strategy, for some reason, it has got different coins that's performing better. So existing people, do your own due diligence. Work on this. Don't just change it. For new people, if you haven't got enough funds, go to the SBS strategy. It works miracles. All right. Just as I wanted to show you, now sometimes you get like this coin, this fart coin. People 2000%. Why is it like this? Why don't you get all these coins like this? If you go and check on the fart coin, I just went out. This is a coin that launched. You go to last week. Look at this. This is a coin that launched, but it's not in the EasyBot. Because the EasyBot chose. This is the only account where I will put R1,000,000 in and I can come and sleep tonight. This coins that they're using is not coins that starts like this. Usually you get a coin like this, it jumps up and then it starts down, and as it goes on, I can show you any of the other coins, then it starts running slower and slower and slower. You need to have coins that is stable, and that is the ones that has been chosen on the EasyBot family. All right. People, we're talking live money, and we need coins that is going to be sustainable, and that work has already been done for you by the team, by the EasyBot team, the support teams. All right. Is there any questions so far before I'm going to give to Roy? I don't think I need anything else. You can unmute yourself. You can raise your hand. It doesn't sound like that. Okay, Roy, if you want to come in on anything, especially on this, what did I say? On the accounts. I'm just going to move back to that. What is the word? I'm losing my,
Not to worry. So, but what I wanted to say to people is that the reason why EasyBot was started is because there were so many rogue pools and scams in crypto. And what they found is that they just wanted to create something that could create constant crypto profits. And that's where Mohammed was with another company, and he is also with MTI in South Africa, South African scam that happened. I'm not sure if you know about that.
yeah.
But he was also involved in that. And after that, he just said, no more. There's got to be a way to do it properly where it can be done. And ever since then, he worked on it as an engineer, and he came up with the formula and the algorithm to make it work. And ever since then, he's now created the SBS strategy. And so the growth of the company has not even started. I'll put. I think I don't know if I can put anything in the chat, Bucks, but I'll send you links to two clips that people can go watch. Where basically what EasyBot is doing is it's democratizing fund management. So fund management companies in the past, we've all known who they are. They're the big corporate companies owned by governments, owned by banks, etc. And now democratizing fund management means that we're giving power back to the people. So people have the power. You have the power to change your life. And EasyBot gives you that opportunity to do that.
I just
I'll
want
send you
to.
the links in WhatsApp, Bucks. I'm not sure
Okay.
why I can't put it
I'm
in the
waiting
chat.
for it. I'm waiting for it, and I'm also going to put it straight into the. Maybe Blanche can help me to put it in a Telegram group. People,
I'll put it in the Telegram group.
okay, thank you. People, most important. Some people comes to me and they tell me, but they've got other projects and things that is making more percentages a day. Are you willing to put 10,000 of your dollars into that type of project? This is my first question. I am willing to put $10,000 in. I just sold one of my houses and I'm going to put that funds all into my bot. Now, the next question is, some people ask me, but how much funds can I get a month out of the EasyBot? As I explained to you guys, the market is at the moment in a very downable trend, but the bot is still making funds. And for each person that is in this group, you're going to have a different percentage. Why? Because the system, you've got different bots, and you started your bots at different intervals. Some people is just going to start now when the market is down. Other people has already started some time back. They've got 30. So it's very difficult for me to say there's a fixed interest that you're going to get. Sometimes we get 3 to 5% a month. But I've experienced, even in this account that I showed you guys, I've experienced over last year, November, over 30, 35%. And what is most important that you guys must remember, we've got what we call compounding interest in this. We've got compounding interest on your bot. So every day your bot makes money, it uses that money in your vault, as I explained to you guys, and then it buys even more. All right. Stefan, I don't think if there's anything else that we need to talk about on the bot. Is there any questions? I think also remember, I still got on this $100 which you guys are starting up. I still got some funds available. I'm prepared. If you're linked in with one of my accounts or one of my downloads accounts, then I'm prepared to sponsor you $50 for that yearly fee. So you guys only need to pay $50, not 100. Time is running out and I won't be able to do it forever. All right. It's like a first come, first serve story. If there's nothing else, people, I would just like, I'm just going to stop.
Stefan, when we getting you started?
Stefan is busy.
When I've got money, when I've got funds available.
Stefan is busy getting his stuff ready. Mark, we'll chat tomorrow.
Yeah, let's do it. Then also on Monday, I'm going to be with two of my best friends out at the beach, so we might be able to get there and show them that at the time.
Okay.
Bucks,
The
one
video,
last thing I wanted to chat about is, so I'm not sure if everyone knows on X, there's a lot of activity happening in crypto on X at the moment, especially with the meme coins. And so what I do is I go and sit in those rooms. So all you do is you go into the spaces. So look on the spaces tab on your X profile and then click on the spaces. And then at the top, just type in search SHILL, shill. That means that you can tell people about your project. So what you do is you just go sit in a room like that and you just tell people about your project. And I just tell them about EasyBot. I'm going to send a link through to Bucks. I'll put it on the group, on the Telegram group too, for a thing that you can put all your links into, and it just keeps them for you, and then you can just send all the links together, so it makes it easier. But when you're sitting in a group like that, yesterday I had 20 signups from people that were sitting in a room that just saw my profile and then joined.
Quickly, I've got my X on the screen. I don't know if the desktop version is show.
No, so go up to home.
Yeah.
Okay. And go more.
No, you see.
Bottom left.
Uh,
Bottom left. Bottom left. Yeah. More.
More.
Above. Yeah. Yes.
Create.
Okay. Create your space. Okay, so there you see you can create a space from that. So when you go sit in space, like I create spaces all the time where I just keep a space open and people join and they ask, what is EasyBot? And I just chat to them on it. And it's a way to really grow it. But Bucks, just go back there. Just go exit that window. Okay. It should show you spaces. Just go back to
I'm just
home.
not sure if it's a premium account or not.
No, you don't need a premium account to do spaces.
Okay.
So click on your profile. No, on profile above it.
For itself. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Then it should say spaces. Does it say anything there?
Let us sort this out then for the next call.
Okay.
What is?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a Zoom with you just to make sure that you've got spaces on your computer then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next week, Stefan. Okay, I'm just going to stop the recording. Thank you, people, and hit the like button. You just need to stop the recording as well.